6 must-visit spots in Nami Island. Nami Island is a dreamy getaway filled with nature, art, and romance. Don't miss these top spots when you visit. 1. Metasequoia Lane, the most famous tree-lined path. Tall trees forming a natural tunnel, stunning in every season. 2. Ginkgo Tree Lane, a golden wonder in autumn, with bright yellow leaves covering the path. 3. Winter Sonata Statue, a tribute to the K-drama filmed here, a must-see for fans and a symbol of romance. 4. Song Museum, a cozy museum celebrating Korean and international music, with fun outdoor performances. 5. UNICEF Hall, an art and exhibition space promoting peace, reflecting Nami Island's status as a UNICEF child-friendly park. 6. Water Garden and Riverside Path. Walk by the peaceful riverside, perfect for relaxing views. Each spot adds a different charm to Nami Island's magic. Which one would you visit first?